guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, today my topic is preparation of alkyl halide. First chapter of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry start from here in 12th class. Okay, okay. Preparation of alkyl halide. In this topic we covered only aliphatic halide. But in your book, both alkyl halide, aromatic as well as aliphatic. But in this video, we cover only the preparation of aliphatic halide. Okay, what is the aliphatic halide? Aliphatic, there is no aromatic compounds, only aliphatic base methyl, ethyl, hydrocarbon present. If we say the methyl halide, methyl means CH3 group, one carbon and one halogen attached to here. How we prepare this compound alkyl halide? Alkyl methyl halide chloro. That is a chloromethane. IUPAC name is the chloromethane. This is a alkyl halide. In this chapter, at first preparation of haloalkane or alkyl halide, then property, physical and chemical property. One by one, we covered all the topics. First, preparation of alkyl halide. So, think about it. How we prepare this Cl group. How we introduce Cl group. So, in NCERT mainly three category इसको डिवाइड किया है. First, from alcohol. From alcohol means how we prepare haloalkane by the alcohol. Functional group of alcohol is ROH. It means OH eliminate and acid attach. First method from alcohol. Second method from hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means only carbon and hydrogen. It means C2H6. How we prepare this compound from this? It means one H is replaced and Cl is introduced. Third method, halogen exchange method. In halogen exchange method, two types of reaction, Swart and Finkelstein. Swart and Finkelstein. These are the scientist name. Finkelstein reaction. Halogen exchange reaction means already we have an alkyl halide, we get another alkyl halide. For example, RCl. If we introduce I from, then NaI react with I, it exchange. Halogen exchange and we get RI. So, in this topic, we covered three methods from alcohol, from hydrocarbon and from halogen exchange. Okay. First method. From alcohol. From alcohol, there is a very important topic because in this year, in 2024, one question covered from this method. Okay. From alcohol. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. It means ROH change into the RClBr with any halogen. How? First, if we take R means any alkyl group, ROH plus HCl, and in presence of concentrated HCl, in presence of anhydrous, बिना पानी के जिंक क्लोराइड, ZnCl. This is called Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Anhydrous zinc chloride plus concentrated HCl, it's called LR. Lucas reagent. It is also called Lucas reagent. This reaction is also in the alcohol HCl. Okay. Then water is eliminated and haloalkane is formed. Haloalkane is formed. Reactivity of this reaction is सबसे ज़्यादा reactive 3 degree alcohol, then 2 degree, then 1 degree. It means when we take 3 degree alcohol, 3 degree means this one tertiary carbon से OH group attached है. It is a 3 degree alcohol. This carbon is 3 degree. That's reagent is allowed and it react with and from the halo alkane. First method from the alkane. Second method, this method is one in this year. Preparation of haloalkane by the Darjan reaction. This is a Darjan reaction. We study that from the alcohol. Then first take alcohol ROH plus thionyl chloride SOCl2. Okay, in presence of pyridine. Pyridine means in benzene ring one carbon is replaced by the nitrogen. Then RCl plus SO2, that is a gaseous form, plus HCl, that is also gaseous form. Okay, this reaction is the best method of synthesis of haloalkane because both the product, each side product in the gaseous state, that's why it is a liquid or we get pure halo. You think कि HCl तो liquid होता है, why ma'am say that it is HCl? In the gaseous form, actually in pure state, in general pure state in HCl is the gaseous form. Okay, so that's why in this year the CBSE question paper they ask that why this method is the best method for synthesis of haloalkane. Then you say because the side product in the gaseous state they liberate, they eliminate, they isolate, and we get pure compound, pure product RC. Okay, this reaction is called Darjan reaction. Is it clear, beta? This reaction is called Darjan reaction. Next method, first is the from the Lucas reagent, second is the Darjan reaction. Third, from the H2SO4 plus sodium bromide ROH, one reasoning